3, 2, 1, blast off! We have some amazing science experiments to share with you. So thank you so much for tuning in to Mommy and Me.
The listers.
The listers! I am Mommy and this is
Krissy.
and we have an out of this world experiment for you. We are trying to launch food to the moon. Why? Do you know why?
Huh? Let me think. I don't know.
We are launching food to the moon because Thanksgiving is coming and the astronauts that are on the moon, they need to eat, right? So did you know that in a few short years, NASA is launching astronauts, the first woman and the first person of color to the moon? I'm so excited. Are you so excited?
Yes.
So they need food to eat, right?
Yes.
So
And the food go to the puppies.
the puppies need food too.
Puppies need food too.
But today we're focused on the astronauts that are going to be living and doing science experiments on the moon. Isn't that cool? They're not just stopping at the moon, they're going to Mars and beyond. All right, you ready to get started?
Yes.
So for this experiment, you don't need very much. You need some water.
Yes.
Say water.
Yes.
Say water.
Water.
Water. You need some fizzy tablets.
Fizzy tablets.
You need some film canisters with the lid.
Lid.
And we added a little decoration to our packages that will be launched to the moon for our astronauts. We just added some stickers, but you can decorate them like rockets if you like. You ready to get started?
Yes.
Me too. All right.
Let's start with
So-
water.
Yes, we're gonna fill our 5 canisters with water. Can I do this one?
Yes.
Okay, and remember, if you need any help, just ask your grown-up.
Very good.
Yes.
Good.
All right, so we're gonna put, you see, we have one fizzy tablet. Hold it,
Yes.
hold it. We're gonna crack it in half, okay?
Okay.
Can you crack yours?
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Crack it.
Oh no, this works. See, I know this works.
You can't crack it yet? Oh, you cracked it. Show them. Show them. You cracked it. You cracked it. You cracked it. All right. Can you crack the other one?
Yes.
Each canister only needs a half, so that's why we crack our fizzy tablets in half.
The halves.
Yes.
The half too.
Okay. So we have to be very quick because the fizz happens before your eyes. Okay, put it right here. Looks like Krissy cracked hers in fourths.
Yeah, the cracked it
It's okay.
first.
We're going to teach fractions next week. Okay. So, only thing that you need to do is put your package inside, right? So, we're putting our fizzy tablet inside to be the package that we're actually going to send to the moon to be our astronaut friends, right?
I'm an astronaut. Friends.
Yes.
I'm an science friendly astronaut.
Yes. Yes. All right. So, we're going to drop and then we're going to put the lid on it and we're going to flip them over to see if it happens. But before we do that, what do we need? First, we need to put on our
Safety gear.
safety gear. All right.
Are you ready?
I am ready now. Yes, I am. All right, let's see if it'll launch. Let's see.
Election.
Because you have.
It didn't launch yet. It didn't launch yet. That's okay. We figured out why. I didn't put the lid all the way on. Oh, man. But guess what? Scientists never
Give up.
give up. So we're going to try again.
We're good.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to move this one out the way. All right, put it in there so we can see.
So that we can see. So that we can see. So that
Let's see
we
if I did it right this time. You can see the fizz happening. If only we could zoom in.
can.
Oh, did you think about what we can do to get it all the way to the moon. What is that, Krissy? What is that thing? Let's think. What is that thing we do when it doesn't work and we need to think about it again?
Yes.
What's that word called?
Brainstorm.
A brainstorm. Good job. So let's think. Let me see your thinking face.
What do you think? I know.
You know?
What do you know?
So we put a half a fizzy tablet, and let's look. We put a half a fizzy tablet, and we forgot to close the lid, and so that one didn't work. We put a half a fizzy tablet, and we closed the lid, and it popped, but it didn't go all the way to the moon. Maybe we can.
Astronaut.
I know.
An astronaut.
We have to feed our astronauts. Maybe we could put a whole fizzy tablet and see if it will pop even bigger. What do you think? You want to try it?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. So tell me, friends. Come closer. Come here. Come closer. Tell them come closer. So tell me, friends. How many fizzy tablets do you think that will make it go the highest? I want you at home to experiment with your grown-up.
We can crack it.
We're going to crack them in half and put them in there. And we're going to see if it'll go higher. All right? So we're ready for you to join us.
Yes.
Okay. So for this round, we're trying to see if we have more water or less water. Which one will allow the canister to go higher? Remember, we're trying to get to the moon to feed our astronauts Thanksgiving dinner. That's really important. So we're going to put one fizzy tab in each, but we change the level of water. This one has the least amount. This one has the most amount. That one has in between the two of them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to make sure we put it on really tight. And then we're going to be ready to see how high it goes. All right. Can you put your fizzy tab in there?
Just a little bit.
All right. Oh, man. Oh, no, it's closed. So a lower amount of water, it doesn't ever get off the ground. Kind of like if we had no rocket fuel in the rocket. That's something to think about. We're going to move that one over there. Okay, this one has a medium amount of water.
Medium amount of water.
You ready to put it in there?
Yes. Yep.
Put it on there really well.
Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works.
Oh, whoa! Did you see that? It went. I'm pretty sure that one is the one that's going to reach the moon.
One.
And we have our last one. I would love to see that on an instant replay. Whoa! Okay, and this one has the most amount of water.
Whoa!
Yes, let's see. Ready? Drop it.
Okay, yep. That's a little bit.
All right, let's see.
Let's see this work.
That one has the most amount of water.
That has water. It popped.
Yeah, look. Trying to see if it's gonna pop.
Whoa!
It made it to the moon for sure, friends. That was so exciting. You can see the bottom of the rocket is still fizzing here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think that was a success, my little scientist. Good job. We fed the astronauts for Thanksgiving. We have to make sure that they're... Yes, we're going to have to make sure that they have enough food for Thanksgiving. That was far out. That was out of this world.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. She's still looking for the other canisters that flew. One hit the ceiling. Oh my goodness. Krissy loved the experiment so much she wants to do it again.
Yes.
All right, let's do it again. All right, 3,
2, 1, let's go.
Drop it.
Let's see
All right, let's
it
put the top on really well to make sure it meets our astronauts. Let's see if we can see it pop or how. Thank you so much for tuning in to Mommy and Me, the listeners. If you liked our video today, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when we post more Mommy and Me, the Lister videos.